When it comes to legal transcription, it doesn't make sense to open up a fresh Microsoft Word document and start typing from scratch each time. That's why professionals often work from legal transcript templates. They can be a big time saver, especially if you're working on a complex document that requires special formatting. In this video, we'll explain the most common types of legal documents and offer legal transcription examples for each one. So what is legal transcription? Legal transcription is the process of converting recorded speech at legal proceedings into a written or electronic document. This can include court hearings, depositions, client meetings, and more. But not all kinds of proceedings require the same formatting. For example, while some legal transcripts tend to have fewer rules regarding structure, such as client letters, others have particular formatting requirements, like pleadings, that must be followed to a T. While legal transcription might sound like a daunting task, it doesn't have to be complicated, especially if you have the right tools at your disposal. Now let's look at 4 essential components of a professional legal transcription. Number 1, your legal transcription should be as close to 100% accurate as possible. This level of accuracy can only be achieved with the help of an experienced legal transcriptionist like SpeakWrite. In addition to accuracy, professional legal transcriptionists can provide polished formatting and skilled proofreading to ensure that your document is ready to use. Number 2, some legal transcriptions need to be verbatim. This means the transcript will be typed exactly how it sounds, including pause words like or improper grammar, or even slang words like ain't or gonna. This ensures that speakers' words are captured exactly as they are said and nothing has been altered. Number 3, depending on the type of transcription, your document may include names, timestamps, or question and answer blocks. When creating transcriptions with multiple speakers, such as depositions or meetings, legal transcriptionists may note the names of each speaker who speaks and timestamps for when they spoke. Special formatting like Q&A blocks may apply as well. This helps attorneys review specific sections of the recording with ease. Number 4, it should be formatted and ready to use. Once a legal transcription is complete, it should be formatted for you and ready for immediate use. Some states have strict formatting requirements for legal documents, including margin sizes and number of lines allowed on a page. Professional legal transcriptionists will ensure that your document meets all the necessary requirements, so you don't have to spend any time editing. So what exactly does a professionally formatted legal transcription example look like? Let's take a look at these 3 legal transcription samples that we have for you. Formatting transcriptions for legal pleadings may look slightly different depending on state requirements, as some states have strict formatting guidelines while others have no guidelines at all. This may include number lines, special headers and footers, and precise margin sizes. You can see an example of a pleading document from the state of California here. In this case, the document follows the state of California's legal requirements for formatting, which makes it easier to read and mark important information. One of the most common mistakes people make when typing legal pleadings is not including enough information. This could be anything from failing to list the names and addresses of all parties involved to forgetting the date on the document. While it might not seem like a small mistake, omitting even the smallest detail could result in the entire pleading being rejected by the court. Next are deposition and transcript summaries. Depositions are legal proceedings where attorneys question witnesses under oath. These questions and answers must be transcribed, often verbatim, to use in future legal proceedings. A typical deposition transcription will look like this example, in which a defendant gives his defense statement to an attorney. You'll notice this verbatim transcript hasn't been edited much. It sounds authentic and includes false starts, utterances like and even stutters. Transcribing depositions can be tricky, as the speakers are often nervous and may stutter or start their sentences over unexpectedly. In these cases, it's essential to include all verbal tics and fillers in your transcription so that nothing is left out or misinterpreted. Finally, we have letters and memorandums, and those are typically not as formal as other legal pleadings or proceedings. However, they still need to be accurate and well formatted. Here's an example of a legal letter. You'll notice that this document is shorter than the others and doesn't follow the same strict formatting rules. It's been edited for clarity and conciseness without construing the underlying meaning. One of the most common mistakes people make when typing legal letters and memorandums is not proofreading their work. While these documents may not be as long or formal as the others, they still need to be free of typos and errors. A single mistake could change the meaning of an entire document, so it's important to take the time to proofread before sending anything out. For attorneys, making sure your documents are formatted and ready to use in legal proceedings can be time-consuming. So to save some time, we've created 4 legal transcription templates you can download and use at your convenience. We have templates for number lines for interview, legal letter, legal memo, and legal pleading. All 4 of these templates can be found in the description below. These Microsoft Word legal transcript templates can be customized with your preferred spacing, indentation styles, letterhead, margins, and fonts. Remember, you can always give verbatim directions to your typist to make alterations to your template, so feel free to direct your typist with an audio recording if needed. If you're an attorney, you already know that accurate, beautifully formatted legal transcriptions are essential to your workflow. Not only do they help to ensure accuracy in legal proceedings like pleadings and depositions, but they also help legal professionals keep track of critical case details. At SpeakWrite, we have a team of experienced legal transcriptionists ready to help you take all of your transcription needs to the next level. We offer laser precision, attention to detail, fast turnaround times, and competitive pricing. To see if SpeakWrite is right for you, take advantage of our free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Make it easy. Make it SpeakWrite.